So we're going to do a second batch on Thursday because the first batch sold out in about 5 minutes. So that doesn't seem really fair. Anyway, these are, again, all $9.99. We're cleaning up the store and it's about the last of it. So this is a beautiful, that's a scrunch fabric we had. I did a swing jacket out of it, $9.99. This is ridiculous. $9.99. It is cotton poly. It's almost like a trapunto. It kind of has a texture through it. It has stretch in both directions. It's just a beautiful piece of fabric, cotton poly. This is a abstract swirl. There's no beginning and no end, so we just sell it by the yard. Probably to get a complete swirl, you need like 3 yards. It's a black background. It's got a lavender and milk color in it. It is beautiful. It is a cotton poly. It's like a scuba. It has slight stretch in one direction, but it needs to be treated like a woven. It'd be beautiful like in a jacket. It'd be a very pretty swing jacket. This is a 100% cotton. This is an asymmetric linear. In other words, it goes and then the pattern is rotates. Very pretty. Stretch in both directions. Beautiful piece of fabric. 100% cotton. Again, $9.99. It's just ridiculous. But anyway, I wish I paid that much for them. But I just want to claim, I've got so many beautiful things coming in that I just want to, I actually want to give you a little break. I love this. This is like a texture piece. It looks like that Gucci we had. It's $9.99. It is a cotton poly. It is a stretch well, it's a woven. It's really not. This would be beautiful for the blouse, for the pattern of the month. It has great drape to it. It really has a wonderful hand. And it's lovely. It's very, very pretty. This is a black with a white stripe. This is a cotton poly though. It is very pretty. It feels like a silk, looks like a silk, walks like a silk, all of those things, but it's a viscose. It's 100% viscose. Very pretty, again, very nice hand. Almost feels like a suede hand. It's really nice. This last one is 100% cotton. It's a stretch woven. It feels like a suede. It's beautiful. It's got a little bit of sheen on one side. It's 100% cotton. Again, $9.99 is ridiculous, but anyway, just for you guys, you're off to the new year. Get great fabrics to great sewing. If you've never tried our fabrics, this is the time to do it. Happy sewing.